This is the second question of weekly contest 501. In this question we are given an array of string chunks. The strings are concatenated in order to form a single string S. Basically we have given an array of string chunks and we have to combine all the element in the chunks or all the string in the chunks to form a single string S. For example, in this example, we have combined these chunks and form a single string S, like ABC, then A space B, then hyphen V, then C double hyphen D. Now, you are also given an array string of queries. A word is defined as a substring of S such that it should consist of lowercase English letters A to Z, may include hyphen only if each hyphen is surrounded by lowercase English letter. For example, A hyphen B is valid while A double hyphen B is not valid because it is not surrounded by lowercase English letter. Just before it has lowercase English letter, लेकिन just after hyphen we have another hyphen, so it is not valid and is not part of lower substring that also satisfy the above condition. For example, we have already substring CD. So for this, ABCD is a substring, but ABC is not a substring because we have to take full string ABCD, not just some part. So ABC is not a valid while ABCD is a valid. Any character that is not a lowercase English letter or a valid hyphen act as a separator. So when we divide as in substring, any lowercase letter which is not satisfy above condition will be used as separator. For example, if we have ABC double hyphen D, then we will divide it at ABC comma D because it is not a valid, so it will work as a separator and we divide substring in ABC and D. Now we have to return an integer answer A. Answer I is the number of occurrence of queries I as a word in S. Means in queries we have given a word, so we have to check if the word is valid or not. If it is valid, we have to find its number of occurrence in substring S. So now let's understand the question. We are given a substring, we have given a array of string and we create a single string S. Now we will check what is valid or what is not. Now here CA is valid. You can see it. ABC is not valid because it is a part of ABCA. So we will consider the whole ABCA as a valid, not some single part. V hyphen V is a valid because hyphen is surrounded by a lowercase English letter, while C double hyphen D is not a valid because double hyphen is not a valid. How we are going to divide the substring? If it is ABC simply contains some lowercase English letter, it is not divide, it is okay. A hyphen B is it is okay. A space B, now there is a something in between A and B which is not hyphen or neither a lowercase English letter, it is a space, so we will divide it into substring A and B. A double hyphen V, again it is not a valid hyphen, we will divide it again into substring A and V. And hyphen A, again here hyphen is not valid, so we will get a single substring A. So in this example also we have divided, so till ABCA it is okay, we write in a substring, then we get a space, so it works as a separator. New substring will start, new substring will be V hyphen V, we will take it. Now again we have a space which again work as a separator. Then we have C, again we have double hyphen which will work as a separator, so we will get only C and then we will get D. So now we are going to write a code. First we are going to combine the whole string, so we will save it in string S equal to null, and we are going to read the whole chunks, so we will add it in S plus equal to I. So we have combined the whole chunks and form a single string. Now we have to divide the single string into substrings. Now what we need the occurrence of each substrings. So we need not only substring, we need how many times it is coming. So we need both count and substring. So the best way to save it is unordered map, because it is fast to add in unordered map and also fetch the data. And since we are going to string, we need to count, we need to say the occurrence of each string. So occurrence will be in int and substring will be string. We are going to string temporary string. Temporary is basically substring. We are going to read whole chunks. Int n is equals to s dot size, or int I is equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. What is character as I, character ch. And now for int, sorry, we have to check if it is valid or can be a substring or not. So if ch is greater than or equal to a and ch is less than equal to z, we will it in substring, as if ch equal to hyphen. So we have to check if hyphen is valid or not. So hyphen should be surrounded by lowercase English letter. So if temporary string size is 0, what it means, it doesn't have lowercase English letter before hyphen, so it is not a valid hyphen and it is worked as a separator. And we will continue because there is nothing in substring. As if I equal to n minus 1, it means we are at the last point of string. We are at the last point, so there can't be anything after hyphen. Again, we will not take this hyphen, and we will add we will add our substring in map, because it is a because we get the separator. So mp tstr plus plus, and we will update it blank. As now we will check if there is something after hyphen, because we had already checked there is something before. As if I plus 1, we just to check after hyphen is greater than equal to a, and si plus 1 is less than equal to z, so it will be valid hyphen. So we will add it in substring, as this hyphen is worked as a separator. So we will add current substring in our map, and we will update our substring to null. As if it is not a hyphen, it is not a lowercase English letter, it is work as a separator. Now we have to check we have substring to add in our or for count or not. As if tstr dot size, it means at present we have doesn't any substring to add, sorry, we not equal to 0, it means we have substring for count. So mp tstr plus plus and tstr equal to null, or if we have remain some string, so we will also add it. Now we have divided the string as into a proper substring. Now we just need to check if the word given in queries are a part of substring or not, or we have already given that queries I is a valid word, so all the words in the queries are valid. So we didn't check to hyphen or like this anything in the word queries. So we have to check just auto address word in queries if okay, we need to store it in answer, vector string answer. If mp dot find word is not equal to mp dot n, means word is present in map, so we will add the answer in map. We need to add the count as answer. It is not present, so count is 0. So we will return answer. We will run the test case. Okay, we are just a minute. Okay, it should be end. We have to add the count. Okay, now we will submit the answer. Okay, it's accepted. So let me know if you understand the explanation or if you have any query. Please comment. Thanks to see the video.